Google Drive. In this video, you'll learn basic uses of Google Drive and examples. Hey there. Now that we have an understanding of how to use Google for search options, let's go ahead and dive into some of the actual skills that you'll use during the test and obviously throughout your usage of the Google apps. So the first thing that I'm going to talk about is Google Drive. It is, like I said during their intro lecture on Google Apps, it is their cloud-based storage system. I use it for absolutely everything. I have several drives, but I have a main one where I save a lot of my stuff. So I'm going to give y'all a little peek inside there so you can see some of my organization methods, and then I'm going to get to the actual skills. Okay, with most Google apps, if you put the app name, then .google.com, you'll get to their main website. So it's the exact same thing with Drive. Drive.google.com will take you to your Google Drive. Like I said, I have a ton of stuff in here. So I'm going to let y'all look at my organizational method real quick and then show you some of those skills. Google lets you create folders. Think of it just like your hard drive on your computer. I can create folders. I can name them what I want. I can stick files inside of there. Google also lets you color code. So you can change the colors on folders, which helps with visual organization. This lavender color is what I use for data projects that I'm working on. Green is what I use for the classes I've taught. And then the EDD program is in red because it drives me crazy. So if I click on one of my main folders, I have subfolders inside of there because I'm kind of picky on my naming conventions, how I actually name files and folders. I can look at this from here and see by the color who taught the course. Then I see the letters and numbers associated with it, like EDLE 701. Then I have the course title to tell me what that class actually was. Then I can see what quarter I actually took it into. And that's just from how I have set up my naming structure in here. So I have folders for every single class and then my dissertation. And I've told you about my degree sister, my best friend Morgan. She and I are working on this degree at the same time. We take classes at the same time. So we both work within the same Google Drive. And that way, if she needs me to maybe proofread some of her work, or if I want her to look at something I've written, it's already in our drive right there and accessible to each other.